How to create Instagram carousel post. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. As you tap on the plus icon, you can simply tap on the post and you can select multiple pictures. You can select more than one picture over here, so simply select on select multiple and select different pictures over here. So let me select different pictures, and as you do that you can tap on next. So simply tap on the next option, and here you can add audio, you can add text. I'm gonna be putting it just like that. Then tap on next, and as you do that you can add captions as well. You can tag people, you can schedule this post as well, but since I want to post it right now, we're going to tap on share. And that's how you can create Instagram carousel post. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.